Time for some Sudoku. We got another clover puzzle. We're jumping back a couple weeks. This one is called Sum Dashes. We have normal Sudoku apply. If a horizontal dash appears in a cell, the digit in that cell is the sum of the digits to its immediate left and right. And same for vertical. Okay, so this is equal to this plus this. This is equal to that plus that. And then this is equal to that plus that. Along with normal Sudoku rules, so 1 to 9. 1 to 9 and 1 to 9. All right, let's see what we can do here. Okay, so let's look at this one. This one has to be either an 8 or a 9, which means this would be a 1 or a 2. But the 2 is down there. 2 is here, so this has to be a 1. So that's an 8, which means this has to be a 9, and that's a 2, right? 6, so then this will be a 6, which puts 2's there. This cannot be a 2. Okay, so that's good to know. So this cannot be a 2 because these would both have to be 1s. That's a 2, which puts this as a 3 and a 9. 3, 9 pair. So this is a 3. This would be a 1. This is a 9. This would be a 7. I think that all works. Okay, so what's this? We see 6, 7, and 8. So this has to be a 9. And then this would be a 3. So then I think this has to be a 7, and that's a 1. 1, and then this will be a 6, 4. Okay. Which puts this as a 2. So this is now a 1, 8. So this is going to be 4, 5, 7. Is that right? Yeah. Let's pencil mark it just to get it out of the way. And then this will be 1, 3, 8. Okay, so this cannot be an 8 because of this. Okay. This is a 4. It'd be a 1, 3, 5. Okay, we'll figure that out in a minute. What's over here? We need 2, 5, 2, 4, and 5. Okay, so that'll be 5, 4, 2, which puts this as a 9. So this has to be an 8 with a 1, right? So 4, 4. So this will be a 4, which puts this as a 3. So this will be a 5. So this will be 7. Okay, so this will not a 4. Good. What can we figure out? So this will be 2 plus, okay, we'll figure that out. That's a little too much for me right now. All right, what do we need here? 1, 5, and 6. So we know 5 will go here. Just pencil mark 1 and 6 to go. Okay, so that cannot be a 1. So if I'm doing this correctly, these can only be a minimum of 3. Because if this was a 2, these would both have to be 1s. Can't be a 1 because it'd have to be 1/2 and 1/2. So 3, 1, and 2. Oh, yeah, that makes logical sense to me, even though I hate when people say logical sense. Okay, so those will be 5s. This cannot be a 5 because the only, what's it called when they factors? Or is that only when they are multiples? I don't know. I'll say factors. I don't remember. Would have to be 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 4 are there. And then 2 is there. So this cannot be a 5. So this is the 5. Oh my goodness, what a dummy. 5's already here. Why am I trying to put a 5 in the box that's already there? Oh my goodness, pay attention. Oh, that was dumb. Okay, so 5's are there. Oh, that's so silly. This is a 1, 8, 9. Okay, so 8 is here. And then this is now a 1, 9. Okay, I can handle that. That's better. That's better. So then 8's will go here. So if this is an 8, this would be a 6. That's possible. This is an 8. This one cannot be an 8 because this is a 3, 9, so that couldn't be a 9. And if it was a 3, it would need a 5, which is there. So that cannot be the 8. Wait, okay, so this cannot be a 3. This is going to be a 9, which puts that as a 7. So this will be 3. Then I can remove those 7s. 4, 5 pair. All right. Which puts, we need 3, 4, 5. So this, we need 5 and 9. I failed, didn't I? No, I did not. So this will be again. I did it again. 6s. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this will be 9. So then this will be 8, and that'll be 6. That was just the 2 dumbest moves, and I did in the same column. Wow. That is awful. Absolutely awful. Okay, but I found it, so threes. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, those can't be 6s. 7, 8, and then these are 9s. Okay, so this is a 5. This would have to be a 2, 3. Okay, I'm gonna leave that be for now. So we know 4s are here. 2, 4. Oh wait, this is a 1. How long was that sitting there? 9. So this cannot be a 1. So this is a 1. It's now a 5, 6 pair. Okay, so this has to be a 6, 5. That's a 5 as well. Move those 5s. That's not a 9. So this is going to be a 3. That'll be a 7. So this has to be a 2, 1. Okay, so this cannot be a 5. That can't be a 2, 5. So this is 9 and a 6. Okay, so that's 4, 5. So this is going to be a 1, 3 pair. Actually, that's going to be an 8. Oh, then this is a 3. That's a 1. So this is a 3 as well. What do we need here? We need a 2, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 5, 6. 6, 5. So that'll be 5. 1, 2, 3. So this is 4, 8, 9. 4, 8, 9. That can't be 9. That's not 8. Then this is 2, 3. So this will be a 1. No, it's not a 2, 3. It's a 2, 4. Because the 3 is over here. This is going to be a 3, 7. This box, I messed up 3 times in this one box. That's crazy. Okay, so then we got 2s, 3s, 4s, 5, 6, 3, 8, 9. Okay, so this will be 8, and then that'll be 3, 9. Okay, so then we got 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 9, 3, 9, and it's a 7, 3. So this is a 2, 7. Finish it off with an 8. Wow, that was box 4. I'm surprising I did it in less than 10 minutes with how many mistakes I made. That's crazy.